let's talk about the basics of the structure of Excel functions. So an Excel function is a predefined formula that performs a calculation. For example, we know now that with formulas in Excel, the equal sign is actually an assignment operator. Then we have the sum and then the range. Okay, so now every formula, like every human being, has a name. So let's say I wanted to speak to John. Now in a crowded room, if I were to say, hey you, hey you, hey you, would anybody really turn around, or would John specifically turn around? Now if I were to say, hey John, John knows I'm speaking to him and he will actually then look around and talk to me. The same with Excel formulas. Every formula has got a name. In this example, it would be sum, it could be average, it could be minimum, it could be maximum. It can be a VLOOKUP, an if statement, just to name a few. So we will have the assignment operator, the name of the function, and then in brackets we'll have the range. So B4 and then B8. B4 to B8, the range. Now the building blocks of a function has got three parts. The first part is the assignment operator. The second part is the function name, and then the third part is the arguments. So in theory, the arguments is just the range. So let's look at this. Part 1 is the assignment operator, part 2 is the name of the function, and then part 3 is the arguments, alternatively the range. Now in Excel, we can use the FX button, and this will then populate the function arguments, and we'll look in this detail when we start working with formulas. And in this section, what we'll do is we'll actually go to the formulas tab, and there will be a lot of formulas. So in the next section, we're going to get more into detail as to working with formulas in Excel.